Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Anita Linda was a Filipino actress whose career spanned nearly 8 decades and had done close to 400 motion pictures. A romantic lead in her early years, she gained widespread acclaim for her portrayals of maternal elderly roles depicting Filipino struggles and their lifestyle. Often described as the face of the Philippine cinema, she was one of the top box office draws for 2 decades and has received numerous accolades from international film festival and domestic award-giving bodies. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Linda ay pinanganak na Alice Buenaflor Lake sa Pasay kay James Lake, isang Amerikanong sundalo at inhinyero sa pagmimina, at Gorgonia Buenaflor ng Iloilo. Si Linda ay natuklasan ng kilalang direktor na si Lamberto Avellana habang nanonood ng isang palabas sa entablado sa Avenue Theater na pinagbibidahan ni Leopoldo Salcedo, Lupito at iba pa. Then an Ilongga teenager that couldn't speak Tagalog, nagdalawang isip siya nang tanungin siya sa backstage kung gusto niyang maging artista. Avellana told her to report for rehearsals for the next show and later had her fetched when she didn't appear. Anita Linda is a two-time FAMAS award-winning and Gawad Urian award-winning Filipino film actress. A romantic lead in her youth, she later gained critical acclaim for her portrayals in maternal or elderly roles. At the age of 74, she became the oldest actress to ever win a FAMAS award when she was named Best Supporting Actress for Ang Babae sa Bubungang Lata. In 2008, at the age 83, she was named Best Actress in the 10th Cine Manila International Film Festival or the Southeast Asia Film Competition for her portrayal of the titular character in Adela. Siya ay kinasal sa aktor na si Fred Cortez Sr. Ang kasal ay tumagal ng 2 taon. Nagkaroon sila ng anak na si Fred Cortez Jr. Noong Enero 2009, hindi nasaktan si Linda sa isang insidente ng pagnanakaw na nangyari habang siya ay sakay ng taxi. Noong October 1950, ang kapatid ni Linda na si Mami ay pinaslang sa isang pagtatangkang pagnanakaw sa bahay na kanilang pinagsaluhan. Si Linda mismo ay hindi nasaktan matapos silang magkulong ng kanyang mga pamangkin sa isang silid upang maiwasan ang mga magnanakaw. Linda died on June 10, 2020. She was 95. The news was confirmed by her daughter, Francesca Ligaspe, by a text message to Star News. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Duchess Mighan, you make a choice. Continue living your life feeling muddled in this abyss of self-misunderstanding, or you find your identity independent of it. You draw your own box.